Hi, my name's Jamie and this is going to be the first video of my van build. So today I'm going to take out all the ply lining, I'm just going to mark it up, which piece is which so I know where it goes back to, and then start sound deadening. So let's do that.
Top, near, side, rear, door, up is that way. That's the worst drill in the world. It's like brand new behind there. Look at that. That's mad. Finger. So I've just taken this bolt out here and you can see right through to the floor. Great. These are so hard to get out because they've just gone straight through and they're all rusty as anything. So that's just that one there now. God for that. So that's every panel wiped down and dried, apart from the floor that's still drying. And now we're going to be ready for the sound deadening to go in. I'm unsure whether or not I still want the bulkhead. I can't make my mind up. So for the time being, I'm just going to leave it in. Look at that colour of that water. That was just plain water. Minging. So this is the sound deadening I've gone for. It's from Vandalize. Let's get it open. So these are the mats we've gone for. Dead Mat Pro sound deadening. They're 200mm by 250mm. And yeah, there's 10 in each box. Probably going to be a bit overkill, but we'll try and get as many on each panel as we can. And this is all it is. Just little mats there. You strip back the material there and put it on the wall. So all you do with this stuff is you peel the back off and stick it to the wall like I have done on them 3 panels already. So I'll do these 2 panels by here. And yeah, that's it on there like that now. So you can see how tinny this sounds compared to a little bit. Is it worth the money? I don't know. But it's on there now. And I'm just going to continue doing that around the van.